In this video, I'm going to show you what it looks like from the student's perspective in using KidBlog. When you set up your class account, it wouldn't be a bad idea to create a fake student account that you can use to log in as a student to see what it looks like from a student's perspective, so that you get an idea of how things are going to work on their side. It works primarily the same, but there are a few differences that you need to explore. So I have gone ahead and gone to my class blog, and remember each of your class blogs has a unique URL, so that's where you would send your students. And I can see right away that I have some blog posts here, and I can see my blog directory. I'm going to go ahead and log in as a student, so I'm going to click the login link, and remember your students select their name from the drop-down list, and they enter their password, and they log in. And again, they will be taken to the blog page, the class blog page, but you can see here now they have several different options that they can do. So let's go ahead and take a look at the post that the teacher has left. And I can see here, I can read the post, I can watch the video, and then beneath here is where I can leave my comment. So Mariah is going to leave a comment on this video answering the questions that her teacher asked her to leave, and then she's going to submit that comment. When the student is done with their comment, they will click Submit Comment. Now remember, in the settings, you have the option of making these comments live immediately, or you have the option of moderating these comments. And this teacher has the comments going live immediately so that they can be seen by the rest of the students. Now because Mariah is logged in, she has the option of going in to edit this post or this comment or deleting this comment. Because this is Mariah's account and she made this comment, she can do those things. Other students in the class would not have those two options, but they would have the reply option where they could come in and reply to Mariah's post, Mariah's comment. All right, if we go up to the top, remember with KidBlog you have a class blog, but each student also has their own blog. So if they go to My Blog at the top, we will see Mariah's blogs. And right now Mariah doesn't have any entries in her blog. So let's create a new post. This is going to look very familiar because it's basically exactly the same as what you saw on the teacher side with a few differences. So Mariah could go ahead and enter a title for her post, and she could go ahead and write her post down here. She has a few editing tools that she can use. She can insert media as well because we gave her that option on the settings. When the student is done writing their post, again, they can save it as a draft. They can preview to see what it looks like. It tells them the status of their post, and it tells them the visibility. They can move the item to the trash if they don't want to publish the post, or they can publish it immediately. The students do not have the option of scheduling a post to be published at a later time like the teacher did. So we'll go ahead and publish this so we can see what it looks like, and we'll see that it's been posted to Mariah's blog. Again, students will have the option of coming in and leaving Mariah a comment, and you as the teacher have that option as well. One other thing we're going to take a look at in the student's blog is their control panel. So when we go to the control panel, we'll see that again it looks similar to what the teacher's does, although they don't have as many options as the teacher. They're still going to see their blog activity, they're going to see comments and recent posts. One thing that's fun for the kids is being able to personalize their blog, and to do that they're going to go to their profile. Now remember, this is an option that you turned on in the settings. They're going to be able to see their display name. They can change their blog title if they want to. They can change their password, but remember, you can also go back in and change that password yourself. They have the option of creating an avatar to be associated with that account. If they click Change Avatar, the kids like to do this. I wouldn't suggest uploading a picture, but they have some avatars that you can use in their collection, and these would be appropriate for the kids to use, and they like to do this and customize their avatar. So that's what that avatar will look like on Mariah's account. If we scroll down a little bit farther, you will see that they also have the option of changing their theme. So this is fun for the kids because then they get to customize and make their blog look the way they want it to. So not everybody's blog has to look the same. So if they make any changes here, they're going to need to update their profile. And then to see what that looks like, if we go back to Mariah's blog, we will see that her blog has changed. And here is Mariah's blog, and now we can see that Mariah has a different design from the class blog. So kids really like to be able to do that. When Mariah is done, she can choose the logout link here.